You can expect a lot from the 2011 Infiniti FX35. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.